Hi. So, we got a snack crate. This is from South Korea. And like last time with Route 66, we don't got a card in. We just have to figure it out ourselves.
Boo-hoo.
Or go on the website, which we gotta scan the stupid thing and everything, and that's just a hassle. But yeah, we got South Korea this time. Fun facts about South Korea. South Korean men love makeup, spending close to $495 million a year. That's weird. There are over 250 kinds of kimchi. Kimchi is a fermented side dish that originated here. The Korean flag is highly conceptual. Each of the black lines represent elements, while the inner circle is yin and yang. Almost half of the country's residents have the last name Kim. When you're born in South Korea, you are already considered a year old.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Oh yeah, what do you want to start with, since we don't got a stupid piece of paper, so we don't know what the heck anything is?
I don't know. But they need to change it back to the other way.
And that's a strawberry drink this time. I ain't drinking it.
Guess we'll try this peanut that has a cowboy outfit on. Of a cowboy wagon. Oh God. I smell peanuts already too.
It smells like peanut butter instead of peanuts. It smells like peanut cheese puffs.
Yeah. It ain't that bad.
That's what it is. Peanut butter cheese puff. I eat that.
That ain't bad whatsoever.
Nope.
No, I'll be the only one.
That is something to do with hot. And it looks like some noodles. This looks like some spicy noodles.
So what is it supposed to be? Red Hots with a marshmallow in the background?
I don't know.
Doing a funny face? I can't open these. They do a good job of sealing them.
Yeah.
Little rice patties. Fun size bite pieces. No, you won't be able to handle it.
Okay, good.
It's got a little kick to it. It tastes like the ramen noodles too when you have to cook them.
What you want?
Ooh.
Apparently they're hot.
Yeah, it's burning all the way
Probably
back.
why they gave us milk.
Milk.
Strawberry milk.
Okay. Taki.
Talkie?
Taki.
You mean pocky looking thing?
Yeah.
This looks like it's gonna be hot also. Looks like some chicken or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that last stuff I ate right there is burning all the back of the throat right now.
Yeah, I can't eat that.
I didn't feel the burn at first. It's really kicking.
It's pocky. That's what it is. It looks like a pretzel pucky thing.
Okay, it took me to realize what those are, but that's chicken legs right there.
What is this? Can I eat it? I don't know. I don't smell anything. All I smell is bread.
It's got a weird flavor to it. It ain't spicy.
It tastes like bread.
It's just weird.
Yeah.
A weird taste. It doesn't even taste like chicken either.
No. No.
It tastes like biting into a fresh new car. You know, when you get in the car and it smells and you can taste that smell?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like. I gotta get that taste out of my mouth. All right, let's see. You gotta pick something now?
How about these Oreos?
Okay.
That's what it, cookie cream cake. Oh yes. Cake. Shut it.
Oh, yes.
Every country actually has to have something to do with Oreos.
Looks like a brownie.
I know. It don't taste good.
It smells, well, it tastes, well, no, I can't say it tastes, but it smells like banana and
Oreo.
there's banana cream.
That's why. Chocolate banana. Nah, not to me. You can eat all that.
Probably. But it's on the semi-sweet side.
Yeah.
I mean, I taste more bread and banana versus chocolate.
You know, since they stopped giving us a paper, looks like we get more stuff.
Mm-hmm. Let's go with the biscuit-looking thing.
This?
Yeah.
French pie?
That's what it is.
It says French pie. It's a wafer thing.
Was one of these that disintegrate.
Yeah. A little disintegrating thing.
And that's supposed to be apple on top.
Basically.
Oh, it smells buttery.
Mm-hmm. I hear Billy. He's either outside this door or he's outside there.
I can't really put a flavor to the taste.
Must be an apple pie.
There ain't no Mickey D's apple pie. I know that. It just tastes like a dried up biscuit with jelly on top.
Choco biscuits. So, a chocolate cookie thing. One that opens like that. Even though it's a bag inside. Pencil. Give me the biscuit to the cookie. The thick biscuit cookie thing. With chocolate on top.
You know what this probably good with?
Hmm.
Just pour it in a bowl with milk
No.
and shovel it in your mouth.
Ow. I bit my mouth.
And basically cereal.
Yeah. That's good.
I don't like the chocolate taste.
I do. I usually don't like stuff like chocolate inside stuff.
Actually, the inside of it tastes like hot chocolate.
Your turn.
I really don't want to dig into the candy yet. Let's just do another one of these things that's hot so we can get it out of the way. I guess it's hot, I don't know.
Bulgogi
But wait a
flavor.
minute. That's one we're going to put in the microwave.
Don't boil it, smash it. No?
Oh,
Just
that.
smash it.
That one again.
Bulgoli flavor. Whatever Bulgoli is. Looks like butter.
That's one you smash.
Yeah, you don't boil it, you smash it. Noodle snack.
Little packet in there.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, he might be having this.
Let me open the packet, smash it, and taste it.
This looks kind of like a cat treat. The cookies. That don't look right. That don't look right.
No, don't. But personally, this probably would have been better to be boiled.
Probably.
All right, let's see here. It tastes like chicken ramen.
Yeah, it's chicken.
It'd been better boiled.
Or microwave. That's chicken.
Boiled ramen, like microwave ramen.
Like soup in a cup kind of thing, but whatever.
If you got sensitive teeth, I don't guarantee this.
I got sensitive teeth. All right, let's see. Let's see what this is. This looks like a little cat treat. Yeah, but it's a cookie. It's a chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate fudge. Disintegrating. Or caramel. It's caramel.
That's a unique flavor.
Yeah. Get the gummies out of here. The heck?
Ooh. Is that sour candy?
I don't know. You gotta. I was like, I know. Or you put them in a drink? I don't know.
You got your phone?
No. My phone's over there.
Yeah, mine's almost dead. It's off and charging.
What, you want me to look up what the stupid thing is?
It's open there. I don't know if you have to freeze this or what.
I think it's a little freezy pop.
It is.
Yeah, it's a freezy pop. So this is grapes. Green grapes.
This one looks like cherry.
So we got freeze pops, but we're not opening them right now. We're gonna
Yeah.
put them down in the freezer.
All right.
You wanted that churro thing, whatever that is.
It looks really bad.
I know.
I don't know what this is, but to us men, we know what it looks like.
This is biscotti. That don't look good. I wouldn't even eat that. What the heck? Is that a looks? Oh my goodness! It's like a little. Looks kind of. If you take it apart, it looks like a.
Smell it. That's peanuts.
Mm. And coconut, probably.
It ain't got no taste to it.
I ain't gonna eat it then.
Absolutely zero taste. It's like biting into paper.
Ugh.
But I'm just gonna finish it off.
Well, this is Pepero, which is filled with chocolate, so it might be biscotti in our version of this. I technically haven't had biscotti before. Or I've had it in these snack crates. Yeah, biscotti. Chocolate in the hole. The backwards pocky.
A backwards parky.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. You know what it smells like to me?
What, a cigar?
Yes. It smells like a black and mild cigar.
No, it don't.
An old black and mild cigar.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
Like hidden in a car for I don't know how many years.
Those are good. Here's all the savory stuff. That's white. That's coffee. This is cookies.
All right. I guess we're going with this other pie. Cocoa pie.
I was about to say, is this a chocolate pie or custard?
It says cocoa.
It's chocolate. It says choco.
Oh, cocoa.
Choco.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Or cocoa.
Cuckoo. Really?
Chocolate pie.
A moon pie.
Probably. Tastes just like the other thing. It tastes just like the Oreo thing.
It does. Only problem is this one right here. It smells like fresh latex paint.
Oh my god.
Ooh. And moon pie.
Yeah, moon pie.
But no joke,
That's a pie
it
too.
smells like latex paint.
This guy says it's a pie too.
There's no point in saving it.
This is butter waffles of Crown. Is this literally a waffle? Or just a cracker?
A waffle.
It's a waffle. I think we had this before.
Where's the syrup?
I'm telling you, they take the big part. It's good.
You know, I still got this pie in my mouth.
Look what she said. Buttery.
I can't really tell. I still got moon pie stuck in my mouth. Now I'm tasting the butter. And it tastes so good.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like the Christmas butter cookies.
Yeah.
So Crown pie?
It's a victory pie.
Okay, Crown victory pie.
Yeah.
I won't be able to say it in that language because I don't know how to say it.
At least some of this stuff is like English. Got another moon pie.
It looks like another moon pie,
I ain't
only
eating.
flatter.
I'm not gonna eat taste it. I'm like, we've already tried so many of them, and apparently it don't smell good to you.
It smells like strawberries.
Yeah, nope. I ain't definitely not eating it. You don't like it? Wow, something he actually don't like.
Yeah. It is strawberry, but I don't like it with chocolate. Ew.
You want custard? You want
Let's go custard.
probably some Oreo cookies in this? Custard. Cream cake.
It looks like a deformity.
The cake part good. Rich custard cream.
It smells like cake batter.
What's a cake? It's a sponge cake. It's just dry.
Mm-hmm. Ain't no angel pie, I know that. A little too dry.
These might be Oreos.
I might end up opening that cherry so I can just get one taste out of my mouth.
Oh.
Yeah, cherry
Well,
pop.
there is a strawberry milk right here.
Yeah.
Yep. And it says Oreo on it.
Have at it.
Oreo cookie.
It looks like a red velvet Oreo cookie.
It's not the same chocolate. It's
No, it's got that color where it looks like red velvet.
yeah. But it's usually the cream that tastes like the stuff, not the cookie. The red velvet?
Mm-hmm.
Red velvet Oreo. Okay.
That tastes good too.
Ready or something.
Oh, this is better than the American version.
Oh, well, I think every Oreo cookie we've had from a different country is better than the regular. You want white chocolate, I get coffee.
Okay.
Or whatever this is. Circo de Say. Looks like a circus thing.
It looks so fancy.
Mm-hmm. Eat the part that's broke. There's a lot of coffee flavor in this.
Really? You try that one because I don't really taste anything.
Yeah. I don't taste nothing. This taste, you can taste coffee.
I choose coffee over white chocolate.
You want it?
Huh?
Did you want it?
Is that right?
Mm.
Because it's got more flavor to it. The white chocolate's like, what's this?
It's just a biscuit.
I know it's got sugar in it. I just don't taste it.
All we got is gummies. This I'm not going to eat because it's strawberry, because it's kind of like a high chew. Don't really want to care for it. It is definitely a high chew, and that's peach. White peach, looks like.
I'll take them for snacks. I know that.
I don't know what this is.
But right now, I don't feel like doing high chew.
Don't know what that is. Looks like probably some kind of black lift sugar stuff.
Matter of fact, if this is gum, I can't do gum right now.
Green apple something. Cute little kitty paws fruit snacks. Looks like Japanese. This is Japanese.
You know what? I'm going to open this one.
And there's some dinosaur fruit snacks. I'll open the dinosaur. Oh, God. I think they're sour. I think these are, no, Kool-Aid.
No, it's fruity smelling.
Yeah, fruity. Ooh, and it's sugary. They're all stuck together.
What the hell?
Give me this. This is what I want. This is the one I want.
Want a grape?
No. You want a grape?
I'll take a grape.
Or green.
Green apple.
Green apple. I knew it. That's what I was looking for, but they're all stuck together.
Ooh.
Not that good either.
Mm-mm.
And whatever this is.
This right here looks like it's going to be black licorice.
I think so.
I mean,
And I don't eat black licorice. I don't even eat licorice.
it's actually a gummy. I had no idea what it is. There's a moon with sugar on it.
Something that he don't like. I ain't eating it.
It's got a high citrus flavor to it. Almost like a grapefruit taste. All right. I know I'm the only one drinking it.
Yeah, drinking that milk. Strawberry milk. It's been cold in this house, so it should be good.
Real feeling of soda beverage.
Soda?
No caffeine, no preservatives, no corn syrup.
How's it soda? Put these in the freezer.
Let's see here. Filter water, cane sugar, carbon dioxide, powdered skim milk.
I don't know if you could drink it if it was skin, but if it was chocolate, yeah.
Citrus something. Strawberry flavored yogurt.
Ugh.
Flavored soybean. There's soybean in it.
It's good milk, apparently.
But it also describes a allergic alert. Contains milk, soybean.
Milk, yeah, I'm allergic to milk. Lactose intolerant.
Yeah. The only way I was able to read this is because
Actually had some English on it.
it's got English on the bottom of it. Oh, it's carbonated.
What? Why is it carbonated milk? Oh, God.
It is. It's carbonated. I ain't got no nails.
Well, that's good. It's settling.
That ain't gonna work. I already
I know.
shook the motherfucker up.
It's pink. You sure you want to drink it? Smells like cough syrup, don't it?
It smells like strawberry.
Oh, yeah. I don't like to smell strawberry. I ain't smelling it.
Even though it smells bad, it tastes good.
Well, there you go. Drink it. I mean, the rest of that stuff that you ain't taking to work. Unless you're taking some of that to work.
Hold on. Let's see here. What is it? It tastes like strawberry soda. Even though the US version doesn't put milk in it,
Yeah.
and it doesn't put soybeans in. Wow. I don't know about
It
soybeans.
might. I don't know.
Tastes pretty good. It smells pretty bad.
Alright. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell. Have a good one. Bye.